Started in the UAE, starring the cast no one talks about. Forget reality TV, this desert has drama, cliffhangers and wild personalities. Meet Blandford's fox, small, swift and full of desert secrets. By day it hides, by night it comes alive. Brant's hedgehog, small, spiny and vital to the desert. Nature's cactus, except this one sneezes. This is the five-striped palm squirrel. Quick, curious and permanently wired. Basically, the animal kingdom's double espresso. These are some of the UAE's real treasures. Let's protect the species that call the UAE home.